Ladies and gentlemen, you will absolutely love this home. Not just the home itself, but the surrounding. Now, this home is located in a well-secured estate, paved roads, good drainage system. There's absolutely everything to love about this home from everything that you're going to be seeing on the screen. We have units of four. We have 4 units of 5 bedroom, fully detached home. All right, and the car park space can take up to 4 cars. There are no swimming pools. Yes, so they made sure that all the space is channeled into giving you a perfect family experience. This is a beautiful environment to raise your kids. Your kids can ride their bicycles in the evenings, in the morning. You know, even you can walk around the estate. It's a very, very beautiful estate. Trust me, you will love it. Okay, so if you're new to my channel, you quickly want to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and let me know what you think of this amazing home. The corner piece that I'm currently standing on is priced at 260, while the other unit is priced at 250 million naira. Okay, with that said, let's take a quick tour. Welcome home. Okay, so welcome once again to this magnificent house tour. You can see you are in a very serene environment. This is what your environment looks like. Interlocked road, good drainage system, call to access estate. I mean, this is absolutely an estate you want to bring up your kids, grow a family in. So for today's tour, we are touring this beautiful 5 bedroom, fully detached. Your car park space can conveniently take 3 to 4 cars, and you have this beautiful architectural design just right here. This home does not have a pool, so all the space was generously used to give you a good living experience. So you see you have your floor to glass window, and when you step inside, you have this massive door that welcomes you home. Of course, it has a biometric, facial ID, fingerprint, and all of that. And when you come into this home, the first thing you will see is your primary living area, your spacious primary living area. As you can see, that's your TV console just right there. You have your light laced all around the ceiling, okay? Just like I said, you have glass windows enabling natural light. You can see the volume of natural light coming inside, and from here you can also see your neighborhood. You see the volume of natural light coming inside your home, proper ventilation, and all of that. So going further into the tour, you have one room downstairs as well as the kitchen, and you have this space that you can also use for your decoration. So over here, you have your visitor's room just right here, and your ensuite bathroom is here. That's your walk-in shower, and this is your wardrobe. So we have the kitchen just right here. You have the kitchen just right here. There's still a lot of finishing touches going on in this home. As you can see, you've got your light. You have your space. This is actually a very spacious kitchen, just that they are yet to clear this mess that is here. But they're trying to install the 5-burner gas cooker. You see it here. It's supposed to be there. They're trying to install it, as well as the heat extractor, which is right here. Okay, so it's supposed to be there. So you have your compartment, your oven, your microwave is already there for you. And there is this space over here that serves as a kitchenette. You see your space just right here. So this kitchen is actually very spacious. It's just that because they've not cleared all these things, if you look closely, you will see what I am talking about. So going further into the tour, we can now go upstairs. But I think there is the powder room just right here. I saw a door just right here. Okay, so this is your powder room. This is your powder room. Alright, so this is your primary living area again, just before we go upstairs. Beautiful view. So going upstairs, of course, you have your secondary living area rather, the family lounge. Just immediately you get upstairs, you can set up another living area right here, and we have rooms here as well. So that's your wardrobe that comes with a mirror. And this is your home. Have spacious rooms as well. This is your ensuite bathroom. This is your walk-in shower. Okay. So let's take a look at the other room. So this is the other room here. So this is your room right here. That's your wardrobe. Each wardrobe comes with a mirror. Hello. And this is your ensuite bathroom. And this is your walk-in shower. Okay, so you see your walk-in shower can contain 2 people conveniently. All right. So going further into the tour, we have one room here and this one here. So this is the other room. Actually, this is a beautiful home. So this is it. That's your wardrobe alongside a mirror. And this is your ensuite bathroom. That's a shower right there. So let's go to the master's bed. So this is your master's bed, and immediately you come inside, you can see your walk-in closet. That's your walk-in closet. So I'm pulling back so you can see the overview of your master's bed. So this is a spacious master bed. Then that's your ensuite bathroom. That is it. And this is your walk-in shower. And your bathtub is just in this corner. Alright. So your room from here again. Let me show you the closet from this angle. So this is the closet. Have compartments for storage. And the master's comes with a private balcony. So this is your balcony. And this is your neighborhood. If you go through my page, you will see that I listed this properties before. And it is sold already. So currently have just this one in the market. So if you still like to get something like that, it's still available. Then you see your neighborhood. See your neighborhood. I love this vintage style of homes. What do you think? Beautiful view. All right. So let me know what you think of this project so far. This is a very beautiful home located in a serene estate. Okay. It's not just that the house is beautiful. I love the environment where this particular project is. Called to access estate, well secured, good drainage system, interlocked road. There is a basketball court just while we're stepping inside. You have just a very serene environment for your kids to play. I currently see kids riding their bicycles and all of that. So if you want a family home, this does not come with a pool, all right? All the space was used to maximize, the living experience for your family. So let me know. Every detail will be in the description alongside every single detail that you would like to know for this property, price, title, and every other thing. Go through the description. My phone number will be there as well. Come for inspection and let's get you home. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.